Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to screen mirroring not working on iPhone to TV in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. AirPlay and Handoff, select Automatic. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap AirPlay and Handoff. Tap Automatically AirPlay To TV. Select Automatic. Solution number 2. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Battery. Turn off low power mode. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 6. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Thanks for watching this video.